Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to make a question paper in Google Form. Okay. So सबसे पहले इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले अपना Gmail अकाउंट खोलेंगे। आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने अपना Gmail अकाउंट खोल सका, ये पहले ही खोल चुकी हूँ। ये जो दिख रहा है ये मेरा Gmail अकाउंट है। उसके बाद क्या करना है, गूगल फॉर्म खोलना है। उसके लिए आप जाकर गूगल में गूगल फॉर्म लिखेंगे। ये देखिए आ गया गूगल फॉर्म्स। ओके, अब गूगल फॉर्म जब आ गया तो आपको यहाँ ये वाली क्लिक करनी है, गूगल फॉर्म्स साइन इन। उसके बाद सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, ब्लैंक फॉर्म, जस्ट क्लिक ब्लैंक फॉर्म। क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले आप क्या कीजिए, आप जाइए सेटिंग में। सेटिंग में जाने के बाद यहाँ पे कुछ आता है जनरल सेटिंग्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, collect email address if you want, you can, otherwise leave it. Requires sign in, yes, click it. Limit once. Again, edit after submit, no. See summary charts and text responses, click yes. And after that there is on the right bottom, click it save. Again go to the setting one, second one, just set presentation. What is written, show progress bar, click it also. Shuffle question order, click it also. Okay, confirmation message, you can write here, your response has been recorded. If you want you can write, otherwise you can leave it also. Okay, again click on save. Now once again go to the setting. Now come to the third part, which is most important for your question paper, quizzes. Just click. You see on the top left side there is one section, mark this a quiz. Just select it. इसको आप राइट की ओर स्क्रॉल करेंगे, ब्लू हो जाएगा। अब पढ़िए क्या क्या लिखा है, क्विज पॉइंट्स, क्विज ऑप्शंस, रिलेटेड ग्रेड, रिलीज ग्रेड इमीडिएटली आफ्टर ईच सबमिशन। इट्स ओके, वेरी गुड, लिव इट। रिस्पोंडेंट कैन सी मिस्ड क्वेश्चंस, करेक्ट आंसर्स, ऑल आर, इफ इट इज नॉट टिक्ड, सब। जैसे ही आप इसको राइट की ओर क्लिक करेंगे ये अपने आप हो जाएगा। अगर नहीं होता है तो आप इसको बॉक्स को क्लिक करके, जैसे मान लीजिए कि नहीं है, ये चेक बॉक्स ऐसे क्लिक किया हुआ नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है शुरू में, ठीक है। मान लीजिए कि ऐसा नहीं किया हुआ है यदि, ठीक है, यहाँ पे है तो इसको आप कर लीजिए, मिस्ड क्वेश्चंस, करेक्ट आंसर्स। ओके, अगेन क्लिक ना, और इसको नीचे की ओर देखिए क्या कुछ लिखा है, पॉइंट वैल्यूज। यस, अगर आप इसको नहीं पॉइंट वैल्यूज देंगे तो वहाँ पे नहीं आएगा, ठीक है, तो इसको भी चेक करना है ना। यहाँ क्या लिखा है, असाइन पॉइंट वैल्यूज टू क्वेश्चंस एंड अलाउ ऑटो ग्रेडिंग, ये हमने सिलेक्ट कर लिया है। अगेन क्लिक सेव। ओके, नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन। हियर इट इज रिटन अनटाइटल्ड फॉर्म, just click here and write down whatever you heading you want to put. Suppose that we want to write test, TEST. Okay, whatever you want you can write. Again there is one section, form description. Here you can write all instructions, passages, whatever you want. Okay, so let us write attend all questions. Again you can give another instructions here, insert write here capital A, answer of Okay, I have given another instruction. Answer questions 1 to 5 from given passage. Now we have to give here one passage. Just leave some spaces and then type passage. My name is Ram. I study in KB number 1 Bokaro. I like my school very much. I like both playing and studying. Okay, you can write whatever you want. Okay, now you see there is one question. Question 1. Okay, write your type your question here. Okay, for example, we can type one question. What is your name? This is the question. Here some spelling mistake is there. Okay, now you see here you can select which type of question you want. Suppose that we want multiple choice. Any question you can select from the given options. Suppose that we have selected the multiple choice questions, then you have to give here options. Ram, Sita, Rahul, Rani. So many options. How many options you want to keep? You can keep. Okay. Now there is one. Something is written. Answer key. So click here. This is very important. In the passage it is given. My name is Ram. So Ram should be correct answer. Just click the check box. Okay. And again you see on the right side default number given is 0. So you increase it whatever number you want. Suppose that if we want give 1 point for this question, just click here line 1 and then done. One question is completed. Again second question you can choose from here. Okay, again write down second question. What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? Okay, again you can just change. Okay, so you're right. DPS. Second option KB number 1 Bokaro. Okay, just scroll it. Another question you can give options D A B. Suppose that you want to keep only 3 options. No problem, keep. Again, as usual, click answer key, which is the what is the name of our school? KV number 1. Okay, again here there is a 0 point. You see it's 0 point. आप वहाँ पे कर्सर ले जाओ. Okay, and just increase it how many number you want. Suppose that if you want to give 1, just click 1. Again, done. So we have completed 2 questions. Okay, suppose that if you want that these questions must be answered, then you should click here required. Okay, like this. No need, leave it. Suppose that the students are not knowing, they can escape also. Okay, so this is complete question. We have to just, you can just check from here. Okay, preview how it will work. A question is auto save, so no problem, don't worry about that. Suppose that we have clicked this. Again, KV number 1. Submit. This we are only seeing viewer score. Yes, both the answers correct. So 2 out of 2. Okay, so very good. Again come to the this portion. Okay, this is the question. Now you can send it. Question is already saved, auto save. This is auto save. So send you you can just send through email also, or you can invite in email, or you can send through this link and just copy this link. Okay, this copy will be, this is copied, and you can, what you can do, just open in any word form or wherever you want to open. This is one word. Here we can go and paste for the time being. If you want to share, you can share at any other places directly, but suppose that we have just shared. So this is the total, this is the way how to make Google form, question paper in Google form. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.